Major construction progress continues at Spotify Camp Nou, even under heavy rain and difficult weather conditions. From concrete pouring at the north stand to new insulation materials arriving on site, important structural work is moving forward across multiple areas of the stadium. Crews are installing facade anchors, preparing lamella supports, and advancing the third-tier seating structure. Let's take a closer look at the latest construction updates from the future home of FC Barcelona. Close to the construction zone, important structural components are already prepared for installation. 2 radial beams, several flanges, and a pillar remain positioned on the ground, ready to be lifted as part of the future compression ring that will support the stadium's roof. Concrete work completed over the past few days is clearly visible inside the stadium. Areas that previously had reinforcement mesh installed are now fully concreted. Some nearby sections still require finishing, which means additional concrete pouring will continue once the weather improves. Installation of the third-tier seating structure continues steadily around the stadium. Some corner sections remain slightly behind, but the overall pace suggests that most of the third tier could be completed by late March or early April if conditions remain favorable. Sandwich panels are increasingly visible across the lower exterior structure, with only a few sections still missing. At the same time, facade lamella installation continues slowly. Since work began in October, around 5.5 sectors have been completed, and this part of the project will likely take more time before the entire facade is finished. Camp Nou activity has increased around the north corner as multiple trucks arrived loaded with rock wool insulation material. Workers immediately began unloading the material and organizing it across the construction area. The amount delivered suggests that insulation work in this section is about to accelerate in the coming days. In the same sector, crews are continuing to install structural anchors along the facade framework. About half of the anchors in this section are already in place, while the lower areas on the right side still require additional installation. Elevated platforms are assisting workers as they secure the remaining connection points that will support the facade elements. One of the most notable developments today is the return of concrete pouring at the north stand. A concrete pump and mixer trucks are positioned near the cantilever area, indicating that new concrete is being poured. Similar work was recently carried out on the lateral side of the stadium, and this phase now appears to be progressing here as well. Nearby, workers are also focusing on the structural supports for the facade lamellas. Construction continues around the vertical circulation structures in the north stand. Elevated platforms are working on the stair and elevator frameworks, which are already well advanced in some sections. While one structure is nearly complete, another nearby still requires additional structural work before it reaches the same stage. Moving toward the Tribune corner, activity becomes slightly calmer. Some previously installed structural joints remain unchanged, and glass panels delivered earlier are still stored on the cantilever level awaiting installation. Interior corridors in this section appear clean and prepared, suggesting readiness for future operational use. In the Tribune sector, crews are continuing to install sandwich panels on the exterior structure. A newly placed panel is being secured while workers tighten its connections from elevated platforms. This gradual installation is slowly closing the outer structure and shaping the stadium's exterior form. Outside, near the diamond zone, work continues on smaller structural elements. Workers recently installed additional metal components, while a large temporary tent structure is also being assembled in the nearby parking area. Although changes here are less dramatic, steady progress continues as different finishing tasks move forward. Despite the challenging weather earlier in the day, construction activity across multiple sections of the stadium remains active. From material deliveries and concrete pouring to facade preparation and panel installation, the transformation of FC Barcelona's future home continues step by step as work advances across the massive redevelopment project. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates on the transformation of FC Barcelona's home at Spotify Camp Nou. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.